patients have physical pain, that's often when we suggest the Bowen technique. The Bowen technique came from Australia and was actually named after Tom Bowen, who practiced it in 1950s to 1980s. And it's an extremely effective treatment that allows the body almost to regain a blueprint of health. So there's symptoms that the body has that manifests in physical discomfort and pain, and that is again the best way that the body can attempt to heal itself.
I found that people get better with very few treatments, and it's a very gentle and subtle technique. It's like playing in an instrument. It's a vibration that you send to the body and you create this music, and this music recovers the memory in your brain, same like listening to the music and then bringing up the old memories. So the brain reads that music and then reads the blueprint that's written in your brain, and then it's able to send another vibration along the nerve and help the body relax and heal.
Bowen is first a series of small moves done over various parts of the body, which get the body to relax. And the reason why we want the body to relax is in a state of injury, the body tightens up around locations of injury. And when it tightens up, blood flow is reduced to the area, lymph flow is reduced to the area. The muscles tighten, and therefore nutrients and other blood does not get to the area. Waste are not pushed away, and it prevents the healing from occurring in the area.
If a joint is injured, the body will produce swelling. And that is in order for it it's to mobilize that joint. Often the body will produce scar tissue, and that again is to keep it still. And what happens is the natural defense of the body often overstays its welcome. The joint actually could heal and may have healed, but the defenses still are there. So when we introduce the Bowen technique, it's like a language that the body understands. I would say intuitively, I'm not sure how else to express that. It resets itself, and the swelling goes away, the scar tissue gets reabsorbed, the extra calcification that comes on joints or on ligaments also gets reabsorbed, and the body starts to heal. So we use that very effectively for sciatica, for frozen shoulder, for all kinds of structural problems, as well as internal problems that can manifest.
Is affecting more than just musculoskeletal, it's affecting also the physiology and the organs that are innervated by those nerves.
Most people will come to receive a Bowen treatment because of pain. That's really the claim to fame. But during a Bowen treatment, because once again it allows the whole body to reset, everything that the person has is subject to being treated. So if they have digestive disorders, if they have migraines,
all kinds of musculoskeletal pain, as well as chronic pain such as fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, MS, to other physiological problems like ear infections, hay fevers, allergies, digestive problem, IBS. And why? Because it works through the autonomic nervous system, which contains two parts. It's parasympathetic and sympathetic. And with this technique, it puts you into that parasympathetic state of relaxation, which is the key to Bowen and to healing in general.
It's like a language done through the hands that affects also the fascia. And the fascia, there's actually a lot of research now explaining that the fascia is a major way of communicating throughout the whole body. It's actually like a cellophane that covers every single organ and muscle throughout the body. And so if something is wrong on the upper right level and it's tugging at the fascia, something lower down could be affected. So again, the Bowen technique treats the entire person and the whole body. So even if a person has a shoulder problem, part of the treatment might be from treating the knees, which will reset the shoulder because of this connection. It's like re-giving a new message so that its defenses can stop and the pain can be addressed and the body resets.